The unexpected emergence of the Indian Navy's only nuclear-powered attack submarine, the INS Chakra, in the waters of the Singapore Straits heralds the end of her service in the Indian Navy. The 8,140-ton submarine is presently en route to Vladivostok, Russia, where she is being returned approximately 10 months prior to the expiry of her 10-year lease that cost New Delhi approximately $2 billion. She is being operated by an Indian crew and is being accompanied by a Russian and Indian warship. A submarine of the Russian Akulatu class, Chakra, was commissioned into the Indian Navy on 4 April 2012 and was based in Visakhapatnam. She was the second nuclear-powered submarine acquired by India from Russia bearing the name Chakra. Sources tell that the early return of the submarine became necessary because of her increasingly unreliable power plant and maintenance issues, besides the overall condition of the vessel, which was extensively used by the Indian Navy to train crews on advanced nuclear submarines. This was a critical learning experience that paved the way for Navy officers to graduate to the Made in India ballistic missile submarines, INS Arihant and INS Arighat, which presently form India's submarine-based nuclear deterrent. Over the last decade, the Indian Navy has, on occasion, deployed the Chakra in missions to track the movement of Chinese warships and possibly submarines in the Indian Navy. INS Chakra will eventually be replaced by a more advanced variant of the same class of submarine, which will also be known by the name Chakra. A $3 billion deal was signed in March 2019 for a 10-year lease for the new submarine, the delivery of which is expected by 2025. This will leave the Indian Navy without a nuclear-powered attack submarine for approximately 4 years. Chinese Navy and specially Pakistani Navy get a big relief after returning INS Chakra. They can operate comparatively more freely in the Indian Ocean now. Thank you everyone for watching this video.